Welcome to our channel. If you want to unfollow WhatsApp channels easily, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean up your channel feed. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the Updates tab where channels and status updates appear. Step 2. Scroll down to the Channels section to see all the channels you are currently following. Step 3. Find the channel you want to unfollow in your list of followed channels. Step 4. Tap and hold on the channel name or icon to bring up a menu with options. Step 5. From the menu that appears, tap Unfollow or Leave Channel, depending on the interface. Step 6. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm that you want to unfollow the channel. Tap Unfollow again to confirm. Step 7. The channel will be immediately removed from your followed channels list, and you will no longer receive updates from it. Step 8. Alternatively, you can tap on the channel to open it, then tap the channel name at the top. Step 9. On the channel info page, tap Unfollow or Leave to remove yourself from the channel. Step 10. Repeat this process for any additional channels you want to unfollow to keep your Updates tab organized and relevant to your interests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.